But our present government, according to my information, they have a corporation, forming a corporation and other things are there. In that process, on the side of Rajbhavan, I will also interact with the government. When I interact, I am not going to advise. Interact with the government, and in this area is concerned, mining is the crux of the development of this area, and of course elected assembly ministry, let them take a decision, and I will also persuade them to look into the matter urgently, and tomorrow itself I will inform them the feeling of the people. We together can do so many things. And in Goa is concerned, it is one of the richest states in India. Per capita income wise, Goa is top. Our Panchayat presidents and other officials, people's representatives, give me so many representations. Of course, Rajbhavan will look into it, and it will be given to the proper forums, ministers, not only in Goa, but to central government also if necessary. We will send it to them for their consideration, and along with MLA and our former Deputy Chief Minister, we will try our level best, Rajbhavan or level best, to redress the grievance of the people in our own way.